old anniversary ride today.
Yeah. Very.
And I figured I'd take her to the scenic route of Las Cruces, which is Organ Mountains. And yeah, so but you get the whole view up here. You get that's the Doñana Mountains, and you got the Sangrita Mountains way over there. Way over there's the Sangritas, Doñanas, a mountain right there. You see that peak out there? That's an old volcano called right out there. That's Picacho Peak. It's an old volcano, and me and my wife, we've been to the top of it with our daughter. It was like 2.
She was like 2.
She was like 2 years old. We took her. I carried her all the way up and all the way down. And here comes another biker. Yeah.
We're not the only ones.
Hey.
Kind of cranky.
No, he waved. But yeah, so we took a cold ride today, and it was cold, man. My hands were frozen. So, but over here, where you see out there, that's Dripping Springs, and we've hiked it too. Me, my wife, and our daughter. And there's an old sanitarium up there that Billy the Kid used to hide out at and whatnot. But yeah, so yeah, there's our little view, anniversary view.